You're speaking in the present, but thinking from the past.
Listen carefully. This will change your English.
Who am I really?
How others tell me who I am. I follow what I see, what I hear. I believe what I was told, and those whom I followed. I got a name, a religion, a pride of what I am. I carried them every day, deeply rooted within me. But one day, I began to think, why? 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 Questions flooded my mind, my truth became vague, my mirror reflected something unclear. All I knew was not quite right. Who am I without the light I borrowed from many? Am I born to be alike, to do the same? Am I meant to live by others' choices without discovering my own? Or can I hear my inner calling, the one that shapes my life? Can I choose something for myself, truly?
And I realized, truth cannot just be assigned, it must be discovered by me.
Now tell me, what did you used to believe, but don't anymore? Comment.